This AI can predict your death date, and it's really accurate. Here's how it works. Hi, everyone. We are living in an era where technology is growing at an unprecedented rate. The impact of technology on our daily lives is undeniable. In fact, we can say that it has become so ingrained in our society that it is difficult to imagine what life would be like without it. However, while technology has brought many benefits, it has also raised ethical concerns that must be addressed. One of the most controversial areas is artificial intelligence, which has the potential to change the world as we know it. But as with any powerful tool, there is always the risk of misuse. That's why it's important for us to be aware of the potential dangers of AI and take steps to prevent them from happening. In this video, we will talk about one such AI that can predict your date of death with alarming accuracy. So let's start. An AI system developed by scientists at the University of California, Los Angeles, has shocked the world by predicting the exact date of death of individuals with an astonishing 95% accuracy. This remarkable achievement was made possible by feeding the AI more than 1 million health records from a major health system, enabling it to learn from real-world data and produce meaningful insights. The AI system is named Project Tara, which stands for Temporal Risk Analysis for Personalized Healthcare. The project was led by Dr. Youssef M.A. Oshagbehi, an assistant professor of medicine at the David Geffen School of Medicine at UCLA and the study's senior author. The AI model was trained on de-identified health records of over 1 million people aged 28 days to 100 years old, providing it with a wealth of information to analyze. The data set included demographic information, medical history, diagnoses, medications, and vital signs. By examining this vast amount of data, the AI was able to identify patterns and correlations that would not have been possible for humans to detect. The results were astounding. The AI was able to predict the date of death with an accuracy of 95%, far surpassing the capabilities of any other existing system. The AI's ability to accurately predict mortality dates has significant implications for the healthcare industry. It could potentially revolutionize the way that doctors diagnose and treat patients by providing them with a better understanding of their prognosis. Additionally, the AI could be used to develop new treatments and interventions that could help to extend people's lives. The accuracy of the AI's predictions was remarkable, leading to questions about how it compares to other mortality prediction models. While there are other tools available, none of them have been able to match the accuracy of Project Tara. For example, the closest competitor could only achieve an accuracy of 79%, which pales in comparison to the 95% accuracy of the new AI. The development of this new AI technology is a significant breakthrough in the field of mortality prediction. Its ability to accurately predict the date of death could have a profound impact on the healthcare industry and our understanding of mortality. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of artificial intelligence that will change the way we live and work. So let's see exactly how this terrifying AI predicts your date of death. To begin, you need to enter your birth date and gender. After that, you need to answer some basic questions related to your lifestyle and health habits. You should answer these questions honestly because the AI will use your answers to calculate your risk factors for mortality. For example, if you smoke or drink alcohol, your risk of dying is higher than someone who doesn't. And if you have a family history of a chronic illness, you may also be at increased risk. Once the AI has calculated your risk factors, it will generate a graph showing your predicted risk of death over time. You can see the predicted risk of death for each year and compare it to the overall risk for people your age. If your predicted risk is higher than the overall risk, you may want to take steps to reduce your risk factors and improve your overall health. AI uses a process called machine learning to make predictions about mortality. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In the case of mortality prediction, The AI is trained on a large data set of people's health information. It uses this data to learn the relationship between various health factors and the likelihood of death. Once the AI has learned from the training data, it can be used to predict the probability of death for new individuals. The AI takes in a person's health information and uses its knowledge to estimate their risk of dying. This process is repeated for each individual, generating a mortality prediction for each one. There are several advantages to using AI to predict mortality. First, AI is able to process vast amounts of data very quickly. This allows it to identify patterns and relationships that would not have been possible for humans to detect. Second, AI is not subject to human biases or errors. This means that it can generate more accurate and objective predictions than humans. Finally, AI is able to learn and improve over time as it is exposed to new data. This allows it to become more accurate in its predictions over time. However, there are also some potential disadvantages to using AI to predict mortality. One concern is that the AI could perpetuate existing health disparities. For example, if the training data contains biases that result in inaccurate predictions for certain groups of people, then the AI could inadvertently perpetuate those biases. Another concern is that the AI could be used to deny people access to health care. For example, if an insurance company uses the AI to predict the likelihood of death for potential customers, they could then refuse to insure people who are deemed too risky. This could result in a situation where only people with poor health are able to get insurance, leading to a death spiral. Despite these concerns, the use of AI to predict mortality has the potential to revolutionize the way that we approach healthcare. If we can use AI to identify people who are at risk of dying, we can then take steps to intervene and save their lives. We could also use AI to develop new treatments and interventions that could help people live longer, healthier lives. It is important to note that AI is not a panacea and will not solve all of the problems in healthcare. However, it does have the potential to make a significant impact. If we are able to harness the power of AI in a responsible and ethical way, we could use it to save countless lives and improve the quality of life for millions of people. It's clear that the use of AI to predict mortality is a controversial topic with both exciting possibilities and potential risks. As this technology continues to develop, it will be important to have an ongoing conversation about how to use it in a safe and effective manner. What do you think about this AI? Let me know in the comments below. Researchers found that the AI was able to predict the risk of death from a wide range of causes, including cancer, heart disease, and respiratory conditions. In addition, the AI was able to account for a variety of factors that can affect mortality, such as socioeconomic status and access to health care. The AI was also able to identify individuals who are at particularly high risk of dying, such as people with multiple chronic conditions. By targeting interventions to these high-risk individuals, public health officials and clinicians may be able to save lives while also reducing costs. Overall, the findings of this study suggest that AI has the potential to be a powerful tool for improving end-of-life care. By using AI to predict the risk of death, clinicians and public health officials can develop more effective strategies for preventing premature deaths and improving the quality of life for people who are nearing the end of their lives. But wait, there's more. Another fascinating application of AI has recently emerged that will blow your mind. Get ready to meet Megatron TMT, a large language model, LLM, developed by NVIDIA that boasts an astonishing 530 billion parameters. This makes Megatron TMT one of the largest AI language models in the world. The performance of Megatron TMT is truly mind-boggling. It has achieved state-of-the-art results on a number of natural language processing tasks, including text generation, question answering, and language translation. What sets Megatron TMT apart from other LLMs is its ability to handle massive amounts of text data with ease. It can read and understand huge volumes of text, allowing it to generate more accurate and relevant responses. It can also generate incredibly coherent and fluent text, making it ideal for applications such as text generation and language translation. One of the most impressive things about Megatron TMT is its ability to perform well on a variety of different tasks with minimal fine-tuning. This means that it can be used for a wide range of applications without requiring significant customization or training. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive applications that will shape the future of artificial intelligence. The development of Megatron TMT is a major step forward for AI research and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. Who knows what other amazing things AI will be capable of in the future? The possibilities are truly endless. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more updates on AI technology. Also, check out my other videos, which are equally interesting and informative. Thanks for watching.